This is your actual weather alert. So right now, New Jersey has light rain and a thunderstorm currently rolling through the area. The lightning has calmed down. Every once in a while, you might be hear the bang of the thunder and lightning. The lightning and the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder. Feel thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Okay, let's just get to the weather now. We'll do the weather radar in just a sec here. I'm busy setting it up and trying to get it on. Our radar view definitely has moved since our last weather updates. We don't do them that much. The last weather update that Ben, if you would remember, the last time we've been doing the weather was just about almost 2 months ago in November. So the weather radar is now set up. Here, let me move over here. Let me move the radar stuff over. Okay, we're going to show you it in just a minute. Feel Sunday. Light rain with thunder. I'll be checking the actual weather forecast on the weather channel, so I'm going to pause and then we'll go to the radar. In case if any lightning does happen, I'll have it on. Thunderstorm. I was saying thunderstorm. Okay, this is actually a weather update for here in Philadelphia. We won't be having the weather radar on this one, but for our other one, we will.